Okay, gonna give you a real quick tip. Just had to change my wiper on my 2017 Durango. It's kind of tricky, couldn't figure it out. As crazy as it may sound. Um, make a long story short, gonna try to make it easy for someone else so you don't have to go through what I went through. Okay, so I tried to, usually there's a clip under here that you can press, etc., etc. Clip it, push it down and take it out. On 2017, 18 models is something different. All right, this right here is going to be what you got to go for. You got to get this piece right here, lift it up, and then you push the wiper down. Push wiper down and out. So hopefully that helps. It just took me 5 minutes to figure it out. Pain in the ass. Wish someone else would have had this up to help me out, but hopefully it helps someone else. All right, 2017-18 Durango. Hope that helps. Wiper change, front windshield.